All of you, welcome back to political science class. The first Jocelyn started, Stadioni. I just told welcome back to political science class. She welcomed that with a great morning, right? Fantastic. Anyway, so listen carefully. The last sessions we discussed about functions of political parties. Hope my voice is clear for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Functions of political party. Hmm? And the same time, the next class, the second class, we discussed about the necessities of political parties, right? Necessity of political parties in the country. Finally, the third class, we discussed about different political party systems in the country, right? Or in the world, not in the country, but in the world, different political party systems. And the political party system that what we are following in our country, it is multi-party system, right? Multi-party system. So we studied about the single party system, we studied about the bi-party system, and we studied about the multi-party system. And that system, what we are following in our country, the multi-party system. Clear? Okay. So there are a number of advantages and the same time disadvantages also are there for the multi-party system. As we know, in a multi-party system, there are numerous political divisions. Numerous political divisions are there, right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Same time, it will take a long time to take or come to a conclusion or take a decision. Clear? Take long time to take decisions. Clear? And it is expensive system. It's an expensive system because number of political parties are engaged in this process. Clear? Electoral process. So they have to spend more money. That is one issue. Clear? So these are the advantages and the disadvantages. So what is the most important advantage? Most important advantage, what is that? It is democratic. Comparing with the one-party system or bi-party system, we can say that a multi-party system is democratic than any other system in the world. Okay, clear? Because chances are there for each and every communities or each and every individual to take part in the decision-making process in the country, right? Yes or no? These ideas are clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you still in 9th class?
No, sir.
You're still in class 9? Or you think that you will start learning in class 10? Yes or no? Ray was thinking that actually it is class 9 or 10. Idea? No idea. Dev, where are you, man?
Yes, sir.
She's there. Okay, fine. Okay, let it be. So clear. Okay, advantages are there. Disadvantages also are there for this system. Okay, so we will continue. Open your textbook, all of you, and here we are. Okay, in class 9, we noted that in China, all the Communist Party is allowed to rule. So it is example for one-party system. So we know that the term one examination purely MCQ, right? Right? So textbook reading is compulsory exactly. You want to read almost all the lines. Clear. There are chances for number of or numerous one-mark answers. One-mark answers. So textbook reading is a compulsory practice. It should be a customary practice for you people. Every day after the class, you should read. You have to mark there. Anyway, in the classroom, I will try to read almost all these things there. Okay. So that is the Chinese party, the Communist party is allowed to do. Although legally speaking, people are free to form political parties. It does not happen because of the electoral system does not permit a free competition for power. Okay, so in China, single party only. Okay, they will not give a chance to other parties to grow or develop. Okay, Fisan, go to your bedroom, man. Fisan, go and sleep then.
No, sir.
Does not happen because of the electoral system. So you people, if you want to yawn or you want to take a, what I can say, any nap or something, you are welcome to do so. Okay, you can please turn on or quit. Okay, and you go and sleep, no problem. Attend the class in the sense, want to sit in that sense. Clear? Okay, I'm not serious. Okay, so please, all of you, follow that. Okay, come back. So one party system. So Chinese government, they will not allow the others to develop, the other party to develop. So in a democracy, it's a right for the citizens, right? to form association, but the Chinese government is not giving, or Chinese Communist Party is not giving chances for other parties to develop. Any democratic system must allow at least two parties to compete in election and provide a fair chance for the competing parties to come to power there. So in a democratic system, minimum two parties are necessary. Then only we can see a competition, clear, or giving a chance to the voters, clear. Or only one party means there is no chance for choices. I mean, there is no choices, basically speaking. So there's no chance for the people to choose their representatives. In some countries, power usually changes between two main parties. Several other parties may exist, contest election and win a few seats in the national legislature, but only the two main parties have the serious chance to winning majority of seats to form government. Such party system is called a two-party system or bi-party system. We studied earlier, right? In a system, in a democratic or political party system, we are able to find two parties in country, only two parties in country. That system is called to be two-party system or bi-party system. Bi-party system. USA and the UK are example for that. USA and the United Kingdom are the countries, okay, following this bi-party system. In those countries, we are able to find a major two parties. Okay. Next one, we are coming to our country. If several parties compete for power, the more than two parties have a reasonable chance for coming to power, either on their own strength or in alliance with others. We call it a multi-party system. Okay, so number of political parties are there. Okay, so they will contest in the election. The majority party will form the government, okay, with their own representatives, or they will mix with or mingle with or coaliate with other political parties. That's going to be a multi-party system. That system is termed as a multi-party system. Thus, in India, we have a multi-party system. In this system, the government is formed by various parties coming together in a coalition. So, various parties coming together in a coalition. So, not a single party, but number of parties together will form the government. Such governments are called to be coalition governments. What is that? Coalition governments. Clear? Clear or not? Coalition governments. Okay. When several parties in a multi-party system join hands for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power, it is called an alliance or front. Underline that. If a number of parties are coming together to participate in the election, okay, or to win the power, it is called an alliance. It's called an alliance. Number of political parties made a group together. They face the election. Okay, after winning the seats, they will make the government. Such kind of governments are called to be coalition government. Such kind of alliances are called to be, what is that? Coalition or alliance. Clear or not? Because groups are termed as alliances. Clear? So just mark that. One mark answer. Is that idea clear? So what I told, in a multi-party system, number of political parties will join together. Okay. Why they want to join together? If they're standing alone, they will not get a clear majority. Clear? They cannot score maximum votes or get maximum votes. So they will use other parties. Okay, clear, and make a friendship with them, and together they will face the election. Clear or not? Okay, so chances to win the seats will increase. Chances to receive the votes also will increase. Such kind of friendships between these political parties is termed as, or connection between these political parties are termed as alliances. Clear or not? Number of political parties together will form an alliance to face the election. After winning, they will create the government. Their government are called, other governments are termed as what kind of government? Coalition government. What is that? Coalition. Not one party, but a number of parties. In Kerala, we know that the two alliances are there. Okay. So let's speak. So three are there. Okay. One is UDF. The next one is LDF. The third one is NDA. Right? These are the three party alliances in Kerala context. UDF, United Democratic Front. Okay, number of political parties are there in that group. Congress Party, Muslim League are example for that. Clear or not? Or Kerala Congress are the example for the parties in UDF, major parties. A number of other parties also are there. Coming to LDF, Leftist Democratic Front. Okay, leftist Democratic Front. Number of parties are there in that group also. What are the parties? CPIM, CPI, Janata Dal Party, then what? Kerala Congress, like that parties are there in that group. Clear? Understanding or not? Okay, that's another alliance. Third, it is NDA, National Democratic Alliance. National Democratic Alliance, NDA. Basically led by BJP and other parties. BJP and other parties, right? Okay. Karthik to me, sir, I joined late as battery was low. Okay, fine. So Karthik, you are welcome. Okay, come back. So these three alliances are there, right? And in election, the people, I mean, the people of the state will choose their representatives, right? Clear? The party, it is create or that secure number of representatives or more number of representatives, they will make the government. They will make the government. That time we can say that it is the LDF government or it is the UDF government or it is the NDA government, right? Not the Congress government, not the CPM government, not the BJP government. But we will say UDF government, LDF government, or NDA government, right? Now, which government is ruling Kerala?
LDF. LDF God.
LDF. Okay, correct. LDF. Correct answer, Karthik and Kisan. Okay. And that is in the state of Kerala. What about the central? In central also, two major alliances are there. Okay, one is NDA headed by BJP, other is UPA headed by Congress. Okay, BJP and their alliance or their friendly parties together or like-minded parties together made NDA, National Democratic Alliance, and Congress party and like-minded parties together made another coalition termed as UPA. Okay, what is the full form of UPA?
United Progressive Alliance.
Who told this answer? Srihari. So Srihari deserves a prize there. Okay, anyway. Then class starts. When we will meet, I will give the prize. Okay. 50 paise chocolate or 1 rupee chocolate. Okay, or 5 rupee chocolate, whatever it is. Chocolate for me and the wrapper for you. Okay, Srihari. So come back. So listen carefully. So it is a United Progressive Alliance. United Progressive Alliance. Correct answer. United Progressive Alliance. Okay, UPA. Okay, so UPA is in opposition now. Which party is ruling? Which coalition is ruling our country?
NDA.
NDA, National Democratic Alliance, headed by BJP. Abin Thomas, these things are clear for you? Abin Thompson. Abin Thompson, the things are clear?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Muhammad, what is your full name, man? B091. Unmute your mic and speak.
Nihal.
Nihal. Okay, Nihal absent in the morning session, right? Okay, Muhammad Nihal. Things are clear or not, Mr. Muhammad Nihal? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So I think that Muhammad Nihal is so silent. He's not ready to speak. The first time I'm speaking to him, I think so. Is that correct, Mr. Muhammad Nihal? You're absent for several classes. That might be a reason for it. Okay, let it be. So finally, Mr. Arun Bhaskar is attending the class. First time I am seeing this person in this list. Arun Bhaskar.
Yes, sir.
What is that question, Kisan?
And all the parties, why they are fulfilling the people's needs. All the parties. It will be different now.
Sir,
All the
why
needs will
they
be
are
different.
giving
Different types
fulfilling
of
all the people's needs in all parties? Who don't like that? No parties are able to do
needs
that.
will be different.
They will listen
different
our
now.
needs there, listen our demands there. They will say that we will make sure they will give us a guarantee. Okay, within a short time we will do it. Swadi turn to Spider-Man. Swadi, flip your camera. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, Swadi. Now okay, fine. So Alnaros is really observing the spiders on the roof there, I think so. Alnaros? Okay, come back. So these things are clear or not? Ahlam Fatima?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we discussed about a single party system, bi-party system, multi-party system, and alliances and coalition. Alliances and coalition. Hope these ideas are clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So moving forward, guys, listen carefully. We are moving forward. So sorry, remember these things are very much important because have MCQ test. So reading is compulsory. Okay. So for example, in India, there were three such major alliances in 2004 Parliament election. The National Democratic Alliance (NDA), the United Progressive Alliance (UPA), and the Left Front left front, all the leftist parties together like CPIM, CPI, CPI, okay, like that. Various leftist parties are there, revolutionary parties. All those parties together created the left front. Okay, clear or not? In 2004 elections. Okay, so the multi-party system often appears very messy and leads to very messy means what about Neymar here? What do you mean the meaning of the term messy? Huh? If Messi is there means Neymar also one. So Neymar and Messi, then Ronaldo is a compulsory one. So what do you mean by the term messy? Troublesome. Okay, or problematic. That's the meaning of the term messy. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. So multi-party system, it's a messy one. Okay, it's a problematic one. Will create confusion always. These many political parties are there. Okay. Gautam CJ, want to say something? Singing songs there, I think. Gautam. Gautam.
Yes, sir.
You're singing some songs there, I think.
No, sir.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I can see your lip movement.
No,
This is a Tamil song, man.
no, sir.
Not at all. Okay, fine. So come back. Okay, listen carefully. So that's it. That's it. Okay, messy means what is that messy? It is a troublesome or of making confusion, creating confusion or something like that. Okay, so come back here. At the same time, this system allows a variety of interest and opinion to enjoy political representation. So multi-party system, now power gone. Okay, power failure. Is my voice is audible, right? Are you
Yes,
able
sir.
to see me here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I'm pitch black color. Okay. So no fair and lovely, no fair and handsome. Yeah, power came. Fine, fantastic. Okay, Karthik, thank you. So Karthik says that. It's okay. Sir, do you know one movie Mammootty is in the one bill, sir? Why they are using it? Oh, you're speaking about one movie, Mr. Fisan.
Sir, that one bill they will.
Okay, 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 okay. So that's going to be plebiscite. Okay, it is giving chances to the people to recall the government. Okay, if the government is not functioning properly, the people can use that right to call back the government. Okay, or take the government down. That is called to be plebiscite bill. That's what Mammootty speak about. Okay, but in Indian politics, it's not possible. Okay, once you got the power, you are not ready to lose that power, right? So no political party will accept it. Let it be. Okay. So, but actually, sometimes we need that, right? What, Lena? Lena, you say something? No, sorry. I think that you told something to me. It was actually you told something to your mother. It's almost 2:30. I'm hungry. I want to give the snacks. It seems right, Miss Lena. Is that correct?
No, sir.
Vishnu Shahji. Vishnu Shahji. Okay, Lena. Fine. Vishnu Shahji. Vishnu Shahji.
Yes, sir.
He just blocked the camera with his hands there. Vishnu Shahji,
Yes, sir.
turn on the camera, please. Okay, is the things are clear or not, Vishnu? Are you following? Yes, only actions are there. Okay, so he's Suresh Dubey thinking, only actions are there. Just remember this man. The things are okay or not? Yeah, his voice is broken. Sorry, breaking. Okay, come back. Okay, come back, everyone. So that's it. So coalition governments. Okay. So Fisan always watching movies and finding out these things there. I think that you're a telegram addict, Mr. Fisan.
No, sir.
No. Okay. So here, next paragraph. So which of these is better? This is better. Which form is better? What are you thinking? Either one-party system, either a two-party system, or the multi-party system. Which system is good as per your viewpoints? Tell me. Tell me. Which system is the best system? Four-party system, Karthik says. Huh?
Multi-party system.
Multi-party system, the third one, right? Okay, multi-party system. As per Karthik, what about others?
Multi-party.
Multi-party only. What is why multi-party? Shani says multi-party. Why multi-party?
Because all the
Okay, is that clear for you? Okay,
yes,
then I
sir,
will give you
sorry.
5 minutes to read all those things. Yeah, tell me, sir, what is that?
That's also one reason that in that group of people is there, and they can, if they can friend with other political parties, and
Oh,
look that, then they can win or win the election easily.
hmm, hmm. That's what coalition. Okay, number of political parties together will contest in the election. Okay, they will together face the election, right? Okay, okay. That system is termed as a coalition system. So 2 minutes for you people to read this paragraph or be completed in the classroom. Just read it. Okay. Okay. So discussed about alliances and coalition government. So which of these is the better form of government? We came to a conclusion. What is that? What is the conclusion? The multi-party system because it is more democratic. Perhaps the best answer to this very common question is that this is not a very good question, right? Exactly. So we are able to say it is multi-party system because our culture, okay, our situations in the country make us to say so, okay. But we cannot give a clear-cut answer if you are thinking as an international citizen, okay. So different countries will follow different systems related with its culture, okay, and its social conditions or political conditions. Clear? Okay, a big country need a multi-party system, but small countries or smaller countries they don't want a multi-party system because there is no chance for accommodate that many political parties. Clear? Understand? Small countries. Okay, so no need of that many political parties. So the particular situation of one country that create these changes. Party system is not something any country can choose. It evolves over a long time depending on nature of society. Underline that. So party systems are basically, it is not formed. It evolves over a long time depending on the nature of society, its social and religious divisions, its history of politics, and its system of elections. Okay, these many points are there connected with. Underline that. Okay, this cannot be changed very quickly. So these kind of things like the society, the social and religious divisions, historical history of the politics, such kind of things we cannot change. It is unable. Okay, we are unable to make changes. So all countries or almost all the countries will follow these things to create different party systems or political party systems in their country. Each country develop a party system that is conditioned by its special circumstances. Underline. Okay. For example, if India has evolved a multi-party system, it is because the social and geographical diversity in such a large country is not easily absorbed by two or even three parties. So, two or three parties are not enough to absorb the geographical, social, and what we can say, cultural division of the country. So, many parties we need. No system is ideal for all countries and all situations. The conclusion is we cannot say that any special system is perfect. Any one system is perfect because different countries are using different system as per their social division, the social and the religious division, their society, their history of politics. Okay, the countries will choose any one of these system. They will choose maybe one single party system, or they choose double or multi-party system or bi-party system, one party, bi-party, okay, or a 2 plus multi-party system. Clear? Clear. The ideas are clear for you? These ideas are clear or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So tell me what are the things we discussed today? It is Adulya. Adulya. Adulya is going to discuss about the things that what we discussed in this class. Come on, Adulya.
Got bi-party system.
Hmm. Then, are you trying, Abdulli? What happened?
No, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. Come on.
China Communist parties
Single party system, the
and
communist party system in China.
multi-party system.
Multi-party system. Then
Bi-party system.
bi-party system. Okay. Then
Then alliances.
alliances. Tell me, Shah, what are these alliances? Or what are these alliances? Isha,
Yes, sir.
tell me. Connection trouble. Gauri?
Sir, parties join hands for winning in elections to get more power.
Okay, definitely. Correct answer, Gauri. Okay, parties join together to contest an election. Okay, clear. Or win the election to form the government. Very good. Okay, so these are the basic things we discussed today, and hope all these things are clear for you people. Any doubts are there? And you start preparation for the PT2, right? Okay. You know that it is a MCQ. I mean, multiple choice questions are there. Okay, clear or not? So read the textbook thoroughly and face the examination. Any difficulty related with any particular answer, you can contact me, right? Okay. So want any support? I mean, you want any MCQ material for you people? Hmm? No, after the examination, I will send that. Okay. So for the examination, you want to read the textbook thoroughly. Okay. And learn from the textbook. Almost all the important questions are already marked. Shania Senior says, yes, she wanted this. Okay. Okay. So let it be. I will send within 3 days. But before that, you will complete the revision from the textbook. Sir, Isha asked me, sir, will there be any classes on the exam day? Yes, there, Miss Isha. Classes are there. Okay, clear or not? This is not the board examination, a PT only, no PTQ test. So classes will be there. Okay, so prepare for that. Ah,
Sir, what ma'am said that on, up to that Friday, all that holidays there before the exam.
up to Friday holiday.
Before the
So
exam holidays there, ma'am said.
how many
Chemistry,
days?
chemistry ma'am said
How many days, man?
that didn't say what to be before the exam holidays will be there. Yes,
Holiday,
sir,
holiday.
chemistry
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So you can enjoy holidays, Mr. Fisan. Okay, if it is so, that's what I can say. Nothing more than that. Okay, if holidays are there means you can enjoy. Or Isha says morning will go for some other activity.